To bring you up to speed, we recently bought a Mini for £300 and in episode 2, Matt and his mate Ollie discovered it was cable tied together.
Right, here's Dave helping Ollie, like he has been.
I'm just giving him moral support.
Yeah, I thought that was the case.
I'm really sorry about the tramp incident, by the way. Matt, I am back.
Oh, you're all right, mate.
All right.
It's been... No, Ollie, that's the mechanic. You can't do...
Oh, sorry. I thought we had homeless people here. Hello, mate. All right. Sorry.
Obviously, the crash bar is back on, the radiator's back on, and the lovely surround.
Hang on, I thought you said there was no more cable ties. We've still got cable ties in here.
Well, he's not finished yet. Dave, come on.
And they're not even tight.
Does this look like a finished car?
Whilst Ollie was busy doing the mechanic work, I decided to fix the screen wash problem.
Out the way, Matt. Out the way.
Dave, no, what are you doing? Is that the windscreen?
I haven't
Dave,
got a jug. I haven't got
stop.
a jug.
There's better ways to do this. No, oh my days.
With something actually being accomplished, our scruffy mechanic gave us a deadline to completion.
How long have we got on this till we can start washing? And that's not a tramp joke, by the way.
Hopefully about half an hour.
Half an hour.
Half an hour?
Oh,
But
okay.
we shall see.
Right, is there anything I can do? Like, can I do something?
No, you've already filled up the windscreen washer fluid, haven't you? Don't just grab a random spanner. How is this going to contribute at all?
I don't know, just...
What? Really?
I'll tell you what I can do. I can get the hoover out and I can suck up some of these crumbs.
That's actually useful. They're not crumbs, they're leaf and rat dropping.
Crawley, Croydon, what's the difference?
So while I was working hard, Matt and Ollie were clearly just daydreaming, so I decided to wake them up.
Yeah, I struggle finding the hole as well. There's got to be one of them in there, so you don't have to.
Oh, Jesus. Bloody hell. Christ.
You're such
There was a tornado coming.
Something flew out of the hoover then.
Yeah, it did. It shot me in the centre of my head. He just headshot me. Was it like a pebble or something? What was that?
Jesus.
I don't know what flew out of there then. It just it was like a bloody rock. I literally...
Yeah, it was
like
a rock. He just shot a rock into my cranium.
A few minutes later, my brother turned up with some bloke in what I could only describe as a mobile skip, so it's time to enter professional detailer mode.
I've never seen this van. How long have you had it? Oh, jeez. What the heck? This needs a clean. I don't want to reference any tramp stuff because I've called Ollie a tramp twice already today. But Ollie, if I was a tramp, this is where I would live. I like the urinal. That's quite nice. it really is perfectly placed for the builder.
After a quick cup of whatever the heck this is, Pete decided to try out the newest addition to our one-car showroom.
You could just put the seat backwards, Pete,
I'm trying.
or lose some weight. No, that's the wrong handle. No, it's underneath.
Oh my God. You're as dirty as the car.
He just camouflages in with the car. Look at the
so
state
filthy,
of him.
it just blends.
Meanwhile, our chief executive salesman also shared some more selling points.
There you go. And it uppercuts you on the way up as well. Look at that. I like the way it gracefully falls.
So dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
Just imagine if your neck was there and that goes in.
Yeah,
As
you're
we've
done,
proven,
you're done.
like,
yeah.
you're screwed.
Speaking of danger, we just discovered a deadly type of reptile in the unit.
Ollie, have you ever seen a snake before? Have you been bitten by a snake?
I haven't been bitten by a snake, but I have been seen by a snake.
Oh, okay. Yeah. There's Hyundai snakes about here. You've got to be very careful.
Gets your blood going, doesn't it? I need some fresh air after that.
After his vicious snake attack, we had to crack on with fixing the bumper, and if you're a mechanic, look away now.
Really want to buy a new bumper.
And we got no glue. So there's only one other thing we could do. No, we can't even do that. I was thinking of something paper mache.
No.
And then I still need PVA
It's not
glue
a
for
school
that.
project.
This is hilarious. I've just edited a video. We're going on about the cable ties. No more cable ties. We're definitely not going to cable tie it. You're cable tying it.
Well, we're not actually cable tying it. We're melting the cable ties to join two bits of plastic together. Or we're going to try to at least anyway.
Oh, okay. Oh, that sounds good. Next level DIY here. Is this what you learnt on the streets?
The welding cable type for a light as well, which is a
This
nice.
is so fucking sketchy.
You don't need glue.
Look, honestly,
Mate.
next door has glue. Just go and ask him. He's got glue. Honestly, if you want to melt something, why don't you melt this rubber glove?
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, can do.
Would that work? Oh, this is just ridiculous, isn't it? We're fixing a car by melting rubber gloves and cable ties.
2 seconds later, I had a solution.
Here we go. Right, this is what I'm good at. I'm a specialist with this.
Yes.
Right, stand
Well
back.
done.
Let a professional have a go at this.
Oh no.
It's been about a year since I've last used one of these.
What even is it?
Yeah, what are you gluing?
Mate, I've glued everything in this unit. I glued pallet wood. I glued.
Mate, it
just
says it'll
watch.
fix all, so it should fix the fog light on a front bumper of a Mini.
Step aside.
Right, we've left Dave alone for 3 minutes, and he's now found glue and a saw.
Look,
so,
this is the safest way. You want to do things properly, you got to do this, right?
I'm not convinced. I think you should stick to car cleaning, mate. This is getting pretty bad.
There's nothing wrong with this method. It's
That's
totally
exactly
fine.
how you hold a saw. No worries there. Oh my god.
Look, just let me do
Yeah.
you just do the filming.
I shouldn't be arguing with the bloke with the saw. Not that he knows how to use it.
I'm
but
probably one of the best inventors of all time.
of what exactly, or just in general?
There's nothing wrong with this method.
The next thing is you cut the threads off, so how are we going to put the end on?
Oh, yo.
What do you mean?
You cut all of the threads off of it.
No, don't be silly.
Or do we got to glue this onto there first?
No,
This
no.
is just ridiculous.
No, look, I show. No, we don't. Look, what do you think this is? Something that gets men pregnant? You don't need this on here.
What, are you serious? Are you going to empty the entire
We
tub
want it
onto it?
clean, we don't want it messy.
I have solved all your problems. Let's go.
I got me slightly excited. I can't. Why is that so relatable?
I'd say it's about average.
Yeah.
Just chuck
just keep
it
going,
on,
mate.
man.
It's all good. You do have to use your finger when it looks like that. That is.
This is an insurance job here. Look, no offence, but you could wear gloves. I've got gloves.
Why? I'm wearing gloves and I'm holding the camera.
This is better than DIY SOS with Peter Andre.
But there might be some gorilla glue.
Are you serious? He comes out with
He's
actual
now got the
Gorilla
glue.
And look at what's happened.
That's amazing. It's still better than most
There you
modern
go, you
cars.
can have that back.
That's how they put Teslas together, and
Is it?
nobody whinges about them.
Not long after getting sued by Elon Musk, we decided to take a leaf out of TVR's book.
Everything has been so legit. It's all been done properly, and you've showed up, and all we've got to do is put a light on, and on
Look,
it's now.
I'm not being funny, but look, I've done the screen wash,
Yeah.
I've done the light, I've done some sawing.
You've done some sawing. Yeah,
yeah.
that's an important part of car maintenance, isn't it? To get saw out.
Hang on. When has the mini badge gone over there? What's this?
Yeah, this is.
Hang on.
bosh.
What's actually going on with that?
Since when in God's earth has a mini badge gone over that? That's not right, is it?
That's not right. That's been bodged on. But where would it have gone otherwise? Because it couldn't have gone up here.
Hang on.
Does it even have a badge
Yeah,
on the
because the
front?
holes are here.
Oh yeah. Is this? Ah. Is
Wait
this
a
an
minute.
aftermarket?
Oh my God, I got just the thing.
What? What is that? Don't, no.
That's Rolls Royce spec now.
Rolls Royce is it? Hand finished. Ta-da.
It's a glitch in the Matrix. That's not right.
No, that's fine. You and the bloody Matrix.
I need to Google a picture of a Mini Cooper now. Like, what is going on? I'm confused.
Why are you confused?
I'm so freaking confused.
Do you reckon it's a different badge they put on it? They bought the wrong size badge. It was a small
No.
badge.
Is this not supposed to be on there?
No, because this is a Mini 1. I think only the Coopers have it.
So why is it? It's got a scoop on
Because this
it.
one's got a different bonnet on because it's been crashed at the
crashed,
front.
isn't it?
No, it looks. Oh, look. So do you reckon it's been crashed? They've replaced it with a Fast Boy version, but then somehow kept the badge and then sort of bunged it on and bodged it.
And
That's the only explanation. Why would you do this? Strange man who used to own this. Why? Why?
it doesn't make sense.
What, you were concerned?
Then that matches up, doesn't it?
No, that don't match up.
I think that.
That
Look.
don't match up.
That is just embarrassing. We can't leave that on there like that.
Mate, it's not like the
We look
rest
like
of
a
the car.
bunch of amateurs, Matt.
I don't know where they got that idea from, because all the lights fit perfectly. Why is it not on straight?
This is actually painful to watch and be a part of.
I know.
People are going to comment and be like, you just don't know what you're doing.
We haven't got. We haven't got a clue. What we've done is Ollie was quite happy doing it properly. We've turned up. Yeah, I think if we just had left, this would have been done and fine
Yeah.
and genuine. But now we're all just covered in white goo.
He's
Sucks.
not even replying, saying, nah, you're right, wasn't you?
He's done. He's just pissed, and that's understandable. I can't lie.
Concentration.
Yeah, he's actually doing it properly, and we're just still taking the piss. Well, the badge is back on, so we've done one thing today.
It's like we're corporate people. There's 4 people just watching him. I'm so sorry.
It's like with the council and high visits staring at the...
4 blokes looking into
There's
a
one in the hole actually doing something. You ever fall like, yep.
Bit worried about your health and safety, Ollie. You haven't got a high-vis jacket on.
Speaking of health and safety,
I'm just saying, I've fixed so many problems today.
No. Oh dear. Dave, no. Dave, no. Dave.
One for luck.
No. Ah.
Stop worrying, Matt. There's nothing wrong with a kettlebell. Now we just got to whack it that way.
Why is everyone so optimistic about this?
You're welcome. I've just solved it. So we just got to hit it that way.
soon enough our mechanic saw the light.
Get the kettlebell.
We don't...
Yeah, stop that.
Yeah,
What? Oh.
exactly. Just lift and lunge. There you go.
Oh, shit. You've bent that really. That's...
It's much better. Look, I bet that's fine.
Oh, nearly.
Are you serious? Ah,
Get it away, Matt.
I'm helping.
Straight.
Perfect. It's destroyed. It's so bad. It's about as straight as the rest of the car, for
It's
God's
better than
sake.
it was.
How strong are the welds on this? Oh.
How strong are my knuckles?
Was that your knuckle?
Get the kettlebell. Oh, he's got a hammer.
Are you
He's got a hammer.
serious? Where do people keep finding these things? Oh! Oh!
Did he get?
You're alright.
Ah, I'm good.
Did he really get him?
Yeah.
What bit did I hit you with?
On the
On the rebound?
Yeah, on the rebound. Dave, I want to go back to cleaning cars. I don't like this anymore.
Oh, Rishi Sunak using his hammer the wrong way.
Situation update. Ollie has given the Mini a very good bang, and finally it's submitted and will shut now, as we will demonstrate. Ta-da!
We were making great progress. Ollie just had to change the spark plugs, Pete and some bloke went off to do some gardening in the rain, and I had to share some inspirational words about the Mini.
Let's just say it. This car's fucked.
We're still going to get the front bumper on. It's going on today. We're waiting for our lovely glue to fix, and it should be ready to be thrown back on. A couple of connectors on, a couple of clips, and we'll be driving it down the sunny roads of Crawley.
Next time we attempt to fix the bumper once and for all, and it's cleaning time for the Mini as we attempt to restore it back to its former glory.